Take it off! Take it off!
Take it off! Take it off!
Stand-up comedian and roast master, Nikki Glazer! Our clue expert,
Jenny knew.
our queen.
Wow! Nicely done, Jenny.
Wow. First of all, let's talk about the amazing voice on
Great
Nikki
job,
Glazer.
Yes, thank you.
Woo! Yeah!
You're hilarious, you're amazing on all the shows that you host and have, but singing, that was really one of your dreams.
It was the first dream I ever had in wanting to be a performer, and it was squashed at such a young age, and it just became something that was not attainable to me. So when this opportunity came up, it was so perfect, because I think what held me back was the fact that I knew I was a comedian. Everyone's just like, don't sing. No one wants to hear that. It's like Michael Jordan playing baseball. Like, no one needs that from you. Like, go do what you're good at. And so this show really allowed me to like forget all of the, insecurities I had around singing and really explore my voice. And it's something I'm so excited to keep doing after this.
Yeah.
Can I tell you something, Nikki? You are so incredibly talented. You're funny, we all know that, but your voice is so beautiful, and I hope you know now that you got it.
Thank you, Jenny.
Yeah.
Yes, you can do it all. You are the consummate entertainer, and you know how much I love you. You know how much of a big fan I am of you.
Too.
You're,
Thank
you're
you
just
so
incredible.
much. You guys are so sweet.
Yeah, I mean that with all my heart.
I'm really excited, Nikki, for you to make an album where you can show your beautiful voice and make it fun and humorous as well.
Thank you so much, Nicole. Thank you. Robin, what do you think?
Yeah, Robin, what do you think?
Waiting for you.
I honestly thought you had the greatest challenge because of the thing behind you. You know, you had to carry like...
Nick?
Me or the snowflake?
No, this was a lot, yeah.
Yes, heavy.
Well, I thought you were amazing, and congratulations.
Thank you so
Absolutely.
much. Thank you, Robin.
Well, it has been a true pleasure and a joy having you on our show. So much fun, making us laugh, keeping us on our
I'll
toes.
miss it so much.